Okay, we're all set up. What we're doing is demonstrating a self-install. So a lot of times we get people that call us, they're out of state, somewhere we can't get to, or we don't have an installer in their area. And maybe they only got 3 or 4 columns. So we do sell the self-install kit, and I'll walk through that with you. It's pretty simple. So basically we have our sleeve in place, okay? And really it's, right, again, we just typically put it up there. We'll put a nail over here to hold it. Right now we've got just a little bit of pressure on this, so it's not gonna go anywhere. But you'll put a nail over here just to hold the sleeve in place until you get everything set. And then the next thing we're gonna do is set the uplift tabs. So you'll see down at the bottom, we either got uplift tabs are built in there. So what you'll do is you'll take your claw hammer, and with the claw end, you'll hit those uplift tabs into place, and then you have to get them in there enough to where that nail slides through those 2 holes. That locks that into position. Then we have a lower install bracket. That just makes it easy for, one guy to do this actually if he has to. With this bracket on there, it's a flat bottom. This bottle jack, we bought this at Harbor Freight, 80 bucks. You can order them off Amazon, whatever you want. It's an 8-ton, just gotta make sure it's flat on the bottom. It sets right on this plate. So you can actually put that bracket on there and you can set the jack on there. You don't even have to hold it. Then your next thing would be to go up to the top. You'll slide the top bracket right on top of the jack. That pin is in there to keep that jack from coming out and hitting you during the install process. So at least I put 4 legs in there. I put 1 safety at the top, 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom. And if you're pulling out 4 legs, you're probably hitting something. So that's really about it to the self-install. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna run this down until we run out of throat on this jack. And then once that's done, then we're gonna reposition the upper, we'll bring the jack down and reposition the upper bracket. There's a couple other accessories that we do sell that makes it a little bit easier. We actually have a roller that goes on the front of this. I don't have it on there right now. I typically don't put them on unless I'm having a problem with the column wanting to pull away, because normally it will drive pretty straight. But if it starts wanting to move on you, we do have a pretty simple piece to put on there that'll help keep that in place. And then we also will have an extension for the bottle jack. So that way, if you want to do it without having to reposition, you can do that. But again, it's just a little bit extra expense. It just depends on the budget of the homeowner. So we're going to run this through the first process. We'll walk you through the whole installation process and then show you what it looks like when it's done.